Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video. I am Hendrika, also known as Punk Gardener, and today we're going to be demonstrating how to use the core aerator and what it does. So yeah, give a heart love like onto this video, and hope you can follow my Instagram, which is Punk Gardener, and also my gardening channel Plant Visions. This is a core aerator. So what it does is that it punches holes into the ground, as you can see, all these tines down here. Alright, and it is self-propelled, so basically it runs on its own. And I'm going to be coring this lawn here, and then most likely that lawn as well. So yep, take a look at the video. Okay, let me show you this machine. This is called the Paddock. Okay, the model information will be in the description. It's the smallest of the core aerator. So all it does is it comes in and punch these holes into the ground and flicks out these lumps of soil that looks like dog poop, so that you can get better aeration throughout the lawn. And if your soil is super compacted, it's got bad drainage, this is the best thing to do. So these are the tines. So what it does is that it punches, and you can see, okay, these are the tines down here. So these are the tines. So what it does is that you can see it punches the holes in the soil, and then it throws out all these core of soil, and that's how it works. So let me run the machine and show you. So the first thing you do is, of course, this is a petrol engine machine run by Honda. Okay, it's a Honda GX. So basically, because I've already used it just now, you just turn it on and pull the start. But this thing has a fuel on and a choke. So if it's cold, you're supposed to put the choke on and pull it, but now it's warm, I don't have to. And you pull it, And then after that, there are two levers over here. This is the engaging lever so that the tines can come down. Okay, so again, these are the levers that you push down so that the tines can come down. And after that, this lever here will engage the machine to move. So let me demonstrate this to you. So this is the end result. Okay, the whole yard is nice and punched. Ideally you should mow your lawn before puncturing it or coring it, but it doesn't matter, it's still good. And then after that you can just mow the lawn really short. So okay, thanks for watching, and yeah, I look forward to interacting with you. Comments if you have any questions, and yeah, see you next video. Bye.